Okay, here we are back again. This rust treatment stuff has had real chance to work on this now, and as you can see, anything rusty, it's turned black. So the plan now is to really just give it all a light rub, just to get rid of any dust and just smooth any rough edges out round, and then we shall prepare it for its primer coat. Right, I've got my breathing mask on now, so the voice might sound a little different. But we'll just start off by giving it some light coats and build the layers up. Here it is, with the primer coat all done, and what I'll do is just give it a little rub down with some wet and dry. It's not too bad looking at it generally. Let's start. So say this is the area that really takes a lot of a hammering, so I'm going to give us a real pre-coating before we start. Now this paint is pretty good paint actually. It dries very quick and it really dries to a hard finish, which is great. So we'll just put that on there and just basically do this on this surface, this face here as well. I say the underneath, this is where where you tend to get a lot of the weathering and a lot of the knocks. So we'll give this a little bit of extra protection. Let's go around these edges here, and just on this inside as well. This is where it really needs some extra. Right, there we are. Just giving it a pre-paint on some of the more areas that are likely to see the weather. This is a genuine Qualcast green paint, and it dries really hard. It's expensive, but it's good stuff. It's worth having. I say, while that paint is hardening and drying on the deck, I thought we'd have some fun and games with the handle. And interestingly enough, on the handle you can see that its next service was due the 4th of April 2015 probably, and the owner was Garrett. So I suspect it probably never had that service. It may have had a 2014 service. That may have been the last time it was serviced. But what we're going to do is take this apart. This is all got to be stripped down and all the handles all taken off, because we're going to repaint this. And what's interesting, this, oops, where are we? Let me show you. Where are we? Yeah, this throttle housing looks in reasonable condition. Because what usually happens on these is they can sometimes split, and you sometimes see evidence of this if you're looking on the famous auction website and you see these things for sale. You'll often see something a little bit weird and wonderful going on around here. If you study the pictures carefully and close up, sometimes you see bits of tape wrapped around there or various other things fixed on there to try and prevent it from wiggling loose. These cables are absolutely shot to blazes. I don't believe these cables are worth saving. This is a cable that's for the cutters, and this one on this side, let's move around, oops, this one on this side is for the roller. Like you saw on the main chassis, or the main deck, these are all rusted to blazes. I'm hoping I can get them off without drilling them out. Don't feel very optimistic, but we'll give it a go. So we get our easing penetrating oil on first. Give these a chance to soak Say some of these look really badly rusted. We'll have a look. Alright, this should be a laugh. Let's have an attempt at trying to unscrew this one. Yeah, pretty much as I thought. Absolutely rusted to blazes. Give it a bit more. I suspect I'm probably going to have to drill the end of this out. Chance. Have a go with this one. See if we're as lucky with this. Turn it round. Oh, there we go. Yep. Alright. There is this assembly. And I'm going to take this apart. I'm going to take this apart on the bench. We're just going to have a crack at this one. This is the remaining control cable. This is the throttle cable that goes to the engine. So I'm giving it a good soaking. And I've got this gripped. You might be lucky. I've just given these a clean up, these brackets that you saw me take off earlier on. Taking those out off, give them a good clean up, give them a good polish, give them a good descaling, and I shall put some rust preserver on these and put those in our little bin ready for painting. The other thing is the handle. The handle is dead. Can't save the handle. So that's part of the lawnmower that has died. Show you why. Look at that. I started trying to descale it and it's actually rusted right through. Absolutely rusted to blazes. So unfortunately, or fortunately, I'm going to have to go on the famous auction website, because I know you have these things for sale and I've seen some of them in a reasonable condition. So we're just going to have to bite the bullet and buy a new second-hand one.